What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Happy Saturday. So I actually wasn't planning on filming today or uploading, but I recently ordered the Huda Beauty Mystery Bag and it got delivered by UPS today and I did not want to wait, so I just decided to film. So that is what today's video is all about. If you like unbaggings, unboxings, hauls, recipes, day in the lives, anything basically lifestyle, then that's what you'll find on this channel. And I would love for you to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel get recognized. Yeah, let's get into today's unbagging. So this was $89. I don't remember how many items it's supposed to have. This bag is technically one of them, which, like I said, I really like this, so I'm not complaining. It's a lot better than last year's. So I'm gonna start unbagging it. Okay, this is so weird. Is this an air freshener? I don't know what this... it's an air freshener, I believe. This is kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't put this in my car. The next thing I see is the Huda Beauty Base B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I like sponges. I've never actually tried a Huda Beauty sponge, so let's see what it looks like. Open that. My dog's right here, and he's like sniffing and wanting to get into everything. Okay. So it's kind of like a normal beauty blender, but it's got a slanted edge. Cool. I never complain when it comes to sponges because I like refuse to pay $20 for an actual beauty blender, so I always try to find like cheap alternatives. Next thing in here I see is a lip strobe by, what is this? It's in the shade Ritzy. So looks like that. It's really pretty. It looks like it's just like a metallic gloss to put over. I've mentioned this before, I'm not a liquid lipstick fan, but she does have a really great formula. So yeah, like this is just like a glossy overlay. It's very pretty. That's what that looks like. It smells good. It smells like vanilla. I'm not gonna put it on because I don't feel like it. Next is this negligee. I don't really even know what this is. Oh, these are actually new. They're so pretty. Wow, okay, cool. That's really cool to see a new product in there. Wow. Okay, so this is just supposed to be like kind of like an enhancer to your lips. Like it is a balm. But they are so pretty. Like, look at the sparkles on that. Wow. Very pretty. And that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very light. It doesn't have a smell. It feels good. That's really cool. I'm really excited that they've added a new product in here. That's exciting. I wouldn't have gone out of my way to purchase those, but I'm excited to get something like that in here. Next is this Honey Balm Wishful Jelly Moisturizer. I've tried her face mask that came in the advent calendar, and I don't remember the name of it, but I really did like it, so I would definitely want to try more skincare from her. So let's see with this. Ooh, it smells really good. It actually has kind of like a Tatcha scent, like the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and I use the Tatcha cleanser, the rice wash cleanser, and it has a very similar smell. Wow, it smells good. That smells really good. It's got lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. So apply a small amount to clean skin, add more as needed, gently rub, fully absorbed, use daily, morning and evening. That's really cool. I'm excited. I'll save the two big things that I see for last. This is the Life Liner. I don't know if this is what I got in the advent calendar. It may be. Yeah, this looks like what I got in the advent calendar, so it's like a dual ended. So on the bottom of the eyeliner you have like this small to make winged eyeliner. And then at the top, you have just your regular pencil, like so. I haven't actually tried this yet, but if I like it, that's really cool to have kind of a backup. I use eyeliner daily when I put on my makeup, so I never kind of like ever have an issue with getting eyeliner and things. But I do have really sensitive eyes that are like very, very sensitive to colors, so there are a lot of eyeliners I can't use, and I don't really understand because it's not like the ones that I've had have the similar ingredients. Like there's not a common denominator with it. They just, some irritate my eyes, especially colors, so I don't know. Yeah, so I'll give this a try. Two that I use the most are actually from Clinique and then the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Those are my two favorites. Two more items. This is the Rose Gold Palette Remastered. Wow, okay, I think this is like a $60 palette. I'm pretty sure it is. So that's pretty cool. I don't own this. I own her nude palette. What is that called? Nude, I think. Anyways, I really, really like that one. In the advent calendar, I got the Mercury retrograde one. So I haven't really dived too much into that one, but I really love her formulas. Goodness, wow. These are so pretty. Cool, okay. It's different than the other two that I own from her. And I really don't, I love pinks, but I don't have like too much of them in my collection, so this is cool. Wow. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't want this video to get too long, and like I said, I wasn't planning on filming this, so I don't have a ton of time. Cool. That's really exciting. When I'm editing this, I will actually put all the prices of everything so you guys can have an idea, because I really don't know how much it is. I got those swatches all over my leg. Okay, so last thing in here looks like the Huda Beauty Summer Highlighter Palette. I got a highlighter palette last year when I got her mystery bag, and it was like crazy colors I would never use, so I ended up just like reselling it. So I really hope this is not the exact same one. It is. Yeah, that's a bummer. Whatever. These just won't look good on me, so I am going to keep that and try and resell it to someone who would like to use it, or give it to a friend or something. Oh, overall I think it was a really good unbagging. The only two things that I would say I'm not excited about, or this, I got it, like I said, I got this last year. I didn't end up keeping it then, so I'm not gonna keep it now. And then this is just weird. I don't even know what to do with it. Like, I'm not gonna put this in my car, so what else do I do with it? Oh, this was the, I don't know if I said this, but this was the larger of the two, the $89, and then the other one was $49, so I'm petting my dog. You're wondering what I'm doing with my arms, that's it. Overall, I think it was really great, a great value for what I got. I got some new products that I can try, and a cute bag. I think it was worth the $89. I'm excited about stuff, so yeah. Comment down below if you actually purchased one of these, and if you did, what did you get in your bags? I would like to know. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.